If you are facing this problem, then what you have to do is right click on your mouse and go to NVIDIA Control Panel. You can also find this NVIDIA Control Panel by clicking here. As you can see, if you already installed the NVIDIA Control Panel software. Okay, after opening the NVIDIA Control Panel software, then what we have to do is you need to go to this option, click here, and from here, probably on your computer this option has been selected, but for solving this problem you have to select NVIDIA GeForce graphics card from this PhysX settings. Okay, after selecting this, your problem should be solved, and yeah, this is the solution. Happy day.